So let's go inside the high country maze. This is the first stop here that we're exploring the area around Mansfield. So it's going to be a good day again. Okay,
There you go. How are you, mate?
good, how are you?
So the toilets around to the side, if you're really busting to go, it's pretty cold. Toilets around to the side, entrance to the maze is just through there. You'll see the rainbow flag being go left. Can't miss it. There's 5.5 acres of award-winning gardens out there to enjoy.
Wow.
Plenty of places.
So what are these for?
These are gnomes.
Oh, that's what you need to find?
Yeah.
Because I missed half of the stuff.
Yeah, they'll fill you in.
Oh, okay.
So you're going to find 16.
16.
Just in the maze.
Oh. Yeah. Thank you very much, sir. There is always something interesting to find on the way, places you never ever heard of or think about it or imagined. It's pretty amazing. This one too, it's 5 acres of garden like this. So the name of the game is that you have to find these gnomes, 16 of them in this maze, and if you find all 16 of them you take a photo and then you get a prize. So guys, this trip so far was pretty amazing. We've seen the snow, we've seen this beautiful garden, we've seen the little towns, the country towns, we fly the airplane first time for well over 2 years due to the pandemic. But now it seems like all settling down. Hopefully we can get back to this and continue exploring other places as well.